That's gotta be dangerous. What could he be thinking? Who? Pooh?
No, no one panic. The first thing we do is not to panic, because somebody do something, do anything. Oh my goodness. Stay calm, everybody calm. We don't panic. That's it.
Oh my goodness.
Have you lost your mind? What are you doing?
I'm just getting Piglet's memories. Oh, bother.
Who needs our help?
Oh. Oh, bother. Rabbit was right. We could use a little help.
Here you go, buddy boy. We made you a rescue rope.
Out of us!
Me too.
It's our plan.
Oh my.
Ooh, what are you waiting for?
The rescue rope isn't rescuing.
We need a little bit more.
We just need a little help.
Who's small enough?
Oh dear, who can help? Piglet! Oh,
Piglet.
Piglet!
Piglet! Oh, you can do it, Piglet.
my friends need me. Hang on, Pooh!